Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at a very interesting feature in Jira where you can trace all the, not all the, but most of the upgrades done in your Jira instance. So if you are a Jira administrator and you have been asked to perform an upgrade, or maybe you are just a new administrator of an instance that has been there for many years. In that case, maybe you want to know how many times that particular instance was upgraded in the past. So there is a way of doing it. Of course, you can always take a look in the documentation if you are lucky. Maybe your organization is, or maybe the past Jira administrators are keeping a list of those upgrades, or maybe you can take a look at the server itself. By looking at the server, maybe you will get an idea. But Jira also can do the same thing for you. If you go to the System tab, and right now I'm in my Jira administration section. If you go to the System tab, then you can click on the System Info. And when you are looking at your System Info, where you can of course take a look at different things related to your Jira installation, there is a link here called Last Upgrade. So when you take a look at this link, you can see here that the last upgrade was done on this date. And when you click on Get More Upgrade History Details, you can actually take a look at what happened in the past. So this particular page will give you an idea about all the upgrades that happened in the past. So you can see here on the screen that this particular Jira instance was started with 7.1, which is of course not really a new instance. At least it is, or it was 7. It was not really 4. And this was, you can see the date here, like when this upgrade happened. And recently, as you can see here, a couple of days ago, on 29th of March, this Jira instance was upgraded to 8.8 version of Jira. So this page will give you a very good information, or at least it will give you an idea about all those past upgrades, because this information can be useful maybe for some troubleshooting purpose, or maybe you need to know what happened in the past. And this upgrade history is the place where you can find this information. The only thing that you need to be aware of is that this is only available for upgrades to version 4.1 and later. So not many installations are using 4.1 nowadays, but I think this is something that you should be aware of. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.